Hello friends, today we design Steganography web app using Python. We design front-end using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, if you like this video, press IndiaMoon YouTube like button and watch this video. Let's get started. Let's discuss how it's work. We select an image and hide some information in this image. Click choose image, then open file. You select any image. Choose any image for hide some information. Like we choose this image for hide some information. And hide. We hide information, my channel name IndiaMoon. And hide this information. Click on encode button. A blank window open and tell me encoded image successfully. I am very happy to see this. And then we want to see this encode message, then we use decode. How to use decode to open that image information? We need to choose this encode image, then we are able to see this message. We go there where that encode image have, then we need to select this encoded image. And we click on decode button. We are able to see this message. Here you see guys, we are able to see this encoded message, which is my channel name IndiaMoon. I am very happy to see this. That work. But I am sad that it's not work in audio and video. We design for audio and video in next upcoming lecture. Let's understand. What is steganography? Steganography is the art and science of hiding messages or other secret information in a bunch of carrier information. What is encode and decode in steganography? In steganography, encoding and decoding are algorithms that use a cover medium to hide secret data and produce a stego medium. Encoding is the process of putting a sequence of characters into a specialized format for transmission or storage. Decoding is the process of converting the encoded format back to the original sequence of characters. These schemes are designed to ensure that data can be safely transmitted, stored, and interpreted by different systems. Want to know how to open this project? You find source code in my GitHub account. Then extract zip file and click right mouse click and open with versus code. Here you need to install some requirement and then open new terminal. And type there python app.py. You find a HTTP link, copy this link and paste in Chrome or any browser. So friends, enjoy this project. Happy coding, like and subscribe IndiaMoon project.